Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add cash to Venmo. In order to do so, if you have a Venmo Mastercard debit card, then you might be able to add funds to your Venmo account from a debit card. In order to do so, you first have to open your Venmo mobile application, and on the home page you are going to see the option of add money. So simply need to tap on add money and then you need to select from bank or debit card option. So as you want to add the money from debit card, then you will have to select your debit card, but if you want to do it via your bank, you can also do so by selecting your bank account. After that, you will be asked to enter the amount that you want to transfer. So you simply need to enter the amount. Then you need to again choose your personal debit card option. After that, you need to tap on the add button, and then after following further on screen instructions, you will be able to easily add cash to Venmo. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.